magandang tennis tournament, the Gentry Open 2025. Nandito kami, nila paring G, paring Cholo, and of course, may mga darating pang mga mag-show up na lang ng mga celebrities. We will be putting this live on social media, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Yan, naka-live tayo dyan. Kaya, what's up guys? Another day. Good morning, pare, oh. Time check, 8:30 AM. Bumiyahe kami since 5:30, pare. Kama natin, pare. Yan, sina paring Cholo, tingnan mo. Hello. Tennis time! We're here guys kasi we are setting up for the Gentry Open, kaso napaga tayo. Wala pa po yung mga magsiset up kaya laro muna tayo, no?
Ano, pwede.
Tara! Paring Omar, andito rin, oh. Tingnan mo. Naka Mickey Mouse, oh. Anong kung magbabagi o magte-tennis, eh. Ito na. Yung mga banners, pare, dinidisplay na nila.
Sponsor yan.
Yes, ito mga sponsor. Unang-una, The Watch Reserve. Pare, kailan mo sino yan? Si Mr. Bicep yan, pare. Platinum sponsor natin yan. Meron pa dito. Pare, may papakita ako sa'yo. Tanan!
Mahal kita.
Tapat. Tingnan mo. Laki, oh. Ayan, this is your court. Tomorrow na to. Mag-i-start na. Sige. So yun guys, we were able to play a little bit. Kami ni paring Cholo. Shower na tayo. Check naman natin yung court. Tara, sabahan niyo kami. Hello! Yeah, from High Essence. Grabe, thank you so much ha. Nakita niyo ba yung court nyo?
No, I'm about to see.
Tara, punta natin. This is your court nyo. Ayan, pati yung umpire. I'm playing on the 19th. May exhibition lang kami ni paring Cholo. Thank you so much for supporting ha. Gabi, ayan, nagsiset up lang kami. I'll show you the center court.
Bango din, ha?
Bango ha, mabango. Ang bango ng court. Ang daming High Essence. Marunong ka boy. Later on, check natin isa-isa kung sino ba yung mga platinum natin na sponsors. This will be the quarterfinals. So, quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals. This is the center court. Andito kami, nila paring G, paring Cholo, and of course, may mga darating pang mga mag-show up na lang ng mga celebrities.
So how many people are we expecting?
We're expecting, actually right now, the signed up players are 1,000 na. So here is going to be the booths area. We're gonna have coffee here, have food, and then dito naman mga merchandise. We're gonna have ito, si Nagbabulat, si Dunlop, High Essence, Primo Shine. Dami! Very exciting guys. Marami pang gagawin. Pero matatapos yan lahat today. So yun guys, our presenter for this event is GWM. Go with more.
Ano ba yun?
Yes! Mga sasakyan pare. Sila ang presenter ng ating magandang tennis tournament, the Gentry Open 2025. Pare, sila ang pinakamalaking sponsor natin, which is the presenter. Kaya may mga sasakyan din sila dito sa event. Okay ba yun?
Ayos.
Gentry Open 2025 presented by GWM. Go with more. Ayos ba?
Yes.
Pwede na, no? Mention kay Palawan, pare ha. Maraming salamat kay Palawan. Pakilala ko sa inyo ang mga sponsors natin and mga partners natin for this event that made this event happen, of course. Unang-una, si Bunker. Siyempre, brand natin yan, pare. Si Deerface, our health partner para dun sa mga healthy beverages, okay? Si Converge, of course. Maraming salamat kay Converge. Kay Ceylon Tire, of course. Gentry Timepieces, siyempre, hindi mawawala, of course, ang ating game director, si Palawan Pawn Shop, Palawan Express. Gentry Open. And of course, yung mga platinum natin, each court has a naming platinum sponsor, okay? So, kung makikita mo, yung umpire chair is also their logo. And of course, pinakamalaki sila doon. Tanan! Ganda, di ba? Lahat yan. We have 10 courts, so we have 10 platinum sponsors. First is we have TWR, The Watch Reserve. Shoutout sa'yo, Bicep Master.
Sa kanya
Mr.
yun.
Bicep. Yes, si Mr. Bicep. Sa kanya yun. TWR. Of course, we also have si Guapo Car Care Solution. We have si Primo Shine. Si Primo Shine actually, not only na-sponsor sila, meron din silang booth dito sa ating event na to. Si Mobile Cart, pare. Yung binilang ko ng cellphone. Andyan din sila. Very thankful sila. Kaya, they express their gratitude through supporting our event. Of course, meron din si Pidax actually. Pidax,
Ano
yes.
yan, Pidax?
One of our official partner din yan. We also have Soul Avenue, our Kicks provider and Kick. Pare, may pangaparapol yan si Soul Avenue in this event sa lahat ng mga kalahok at saka sa lahat ng mga pupunta rin dito. Even, after noon, of course, meron tayo si First Mason, si Miss J.Ann. Shoutout sa iyo, Miss J.Ann, ha? Si New Day, New Bag, pare. Andito rin, they're also supporting the event and they're also a platinum. After that, si Lux Trust by Amethyst. Sila yung academy to learn more about mga authentications ng mga bags and mga watches. Ayan. And last last but not least, we have, meron tayong Darling's Fine Jewels. Yan. Of course, platinum sponsor din and may paraffle silang mga jewelry. Lahat yan pare, paraffle sa mga lahat ng kalahok and also sa mga lahat ng visitors na pupunta rito ng mga gustong manood ng event. Kaya napakaganda nito guys, sobrang excited ako dito. Promise as in. Not only because sobrang competitive na magiging tennis competition na to, but also yung mga pupuntang mga guest collaborations with other brands popular in the Philippines. See you all tomorrow. October 9 will be the elimination round for those mga wild cards at saka dun sa mga gustong makapunta doon sa main draw. October 10 will be the ceremonial serve. Diba? Boom! Ba, ganun ako para. After that, I'll see you especially sa quarterfinals natin, sa semifinals and finals. I'll be here all of those days from 15 to 19 guys. Andito kami noon. I hope to see you guys here. Not only that pare ha, on the quarterfinals, semifinals, and finals, including na rin yung aming exhibition game ni Paring Cholo. We will be putting this live on social media, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Yan, naka-live tayo dyan. Kaya, dami natin pasabog. Ang tabayanan nyo na lang guys. Dami rin natin pamimigay.